Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting proof of residence from your CAPITEC app is super straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Step 1. First, you need to open your CAPITEC app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the menu or settings icon, usually in the top corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your account options and settings. Step 2. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Documents or Statements section. This is typically found under your profile or account settings. Look for anything that says Documents, Statements, or Certificates. This is where CAPITEC stores all your downloadable proof documents. Step 3. Once you're in that section, search specifically for proof of residence or address verification options. You should see it listed there along with your other statements and documents. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down to make sure you're checking the full list. Step 4. Select the proof of residence document, and CAPITEC will generate it for you. The document will show your registered address with the bank along with the current date. This is the official documentation you need for any verification purposes. Step 5. Finally, download the document as a PDF to your phone and save it. You can now use this file wherever you need proof of residence, whether it's for applications, rentals, or official requirements. Keep it safe and accessible on your device.